Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enroll in one of the offline courses and select your batch accordingly. First, you need to sign in using your account that you have created on lawstoriesacademy.com. Once you have logged in into your account and you are on the website, now you can go to the courses option. For example, if I want to go to the Music Prodigy course, I will click it, and now I am here on the Music Prodigy course website. As you can see on the website, to enroll here, you can click the Enroll Now option right over here. The moment you click it, you reach this page where you can select the exact batch that you want to enroll for. For example, if you want to enroll in the current August batch, you can do it from right here. To enroll in this batch, you can just click the batch and you have the option to join now. If, let's say, you want to join a batch of a previous month, for example, you want to join the June Music Prodigy batch, or if you are unable to see the August 1 option, if let's assume the date today is August 3rd, in that scenario, you will not be able to see this August batch and you will be seeing the batch of a later course that will be starting either in September or October. So to see the batch of a previous month, you have to click here in the select batch option. The moment you click it, a calendar opens at a drop-down menu. Now let's assume I want to join the June batch. Now as you can see, it says here as well, to choose the batch you want to enroll in, select the first day of the corresponding month from the calendar. If you are joining the June batch, select June 1st on the calendar to view that batch, which means I have to go here and select the batch. Now the calendar has opened. I will go one back to go to June 2024 and I can click here on June 1st. The moment I click that and I press submit, now, as you can see, I'm getting the option for the June Music Prodigy batch as well, the August Music Prodigy batch as well. So now if I want to enroll in the June Music Prodigy batch, I can just click it and you will get the info here to join it now. Once you click join now, the course will get added to your cart. Now to access it, you have to go to your cart. You can access your cart from here as well, from the cart option. Now as you can see, the course has been added to my cart, and now if you have a coupon code, you can apply it. Else you have to fill in your billing details. Once you have filled it, you have to select the billing address so that you can get your invoice accordingly. Once you have selected your billing address, then you will click on next, and then you have the option to either pay online using our payment gateway, or you can select pay offline if you're planning to pay the course fee at the academy. Once you have decided on a payment method, you can then click next. Once you have finished the payment process, your order will be processed and it will be updated on our website. If you have selected the offline payment option, our backend team will then update the order for you and it will be processed from the backend. If you are still facing any issues, you can reach us at info@lawstoriesacademy.com, or you can WhatsApp us on our phone number 98992 05465.